So conversion. So first we start some K for kilo. K is kilo is prefix. Okay. After kilo, next can you tell smaller than kilo?
Smaller than kilo.
Hecto.
Wait,
Hecto.
is it mass?
Yeah. Hecto. Smaller than kilo
Okay.
is hecto. And smaller than hecto is
Um,
smaller than hecto is there is deca.
grams.
Deca. Deca.
Okay.
Smaller than deca is smaller than deca is there is unit that is these are prefix. These are all three are prefix. So prefix do you know prefix in English?
Um,
Prefix in English, do you know?
the prefix in English is what comes before a word.
Yes. So these are so we write here suppose we write here gram. So gram is the main word, and before it we write we can write kilo. We can write before gram is hecto. We can write before gram is deca. So if in that case we write here gram. So gram. So less than deca is gram. Gram means gm. Okay. So now smaller than gram. Come to smaller than gram is
Milligram?
milligram is too much small. So
Oh,
next small is deci. Deci. Small d. Small d means deci. Then next
okay.
small is centi.
Yes, empty.
Centi and small c. Next small is milli. Now milli is come here and its symbol is m. Small m. So below the gram all have same name like capital D, DA, that is deca. Small there are small and these are capital. So bigger than gram is capital, smaller than gram is uh, small letter. So we these are also prefix. So we add with some word that is gram, and here we add gm, kg, g for gram. So this is the G for gram. Okay. So prefix kilo, then hecto, then deca, then gram, then decigram, then centigram, then milligram. So only there is a small part we have written, and we are discussing this first. So could can you know about some relation between anyone? Do you know relation between
Um,
so can you know?
like I feel like decigram and centigram are nearly
Yes.
similar.
No, they are they have difference. Like there is a difference. There is milli. So there is centigram. So can you know how many milligram are there in centigram?
10.
Yes, 10. How many centigram in decigram?
Um, 50?
There is 10 centigram in 1 decigram. How many decigram in 1 gram? How many decigram in 1 gram? How many decigram in 1 gram? There is also 10. Okay. So bigger one is gram. Here is among all here, bigger one is gram.
So then, so kilogram is bigger than hectogram and decagram.
Yes, yes. So kilogram is bigger than hectogram, hectogram is bigger than decagram, decagram is bigger than gram. So how much bigger? There is the 10. 10 means it is bigger than 10. Each one is individually bigger than 10. Previous one by 10. So which one bigger among all these 7? There is 7
Kilogram.
kilogram. And which one is smaller?
Um, like the smallest or smaller?
Smallest.
Milligram.
Yes. So from bigger to smaller, we can multiply. Whenever we want convert from bigger to smaller, we use multiply sign. From bigger to smaller, we use multiply. Bigger to smaller, we use multiply. Bigger to smaller, we use multiply. Multiply like 10 multiply 100 multiply 1000 multiply. So bigger to small, we use multiply sign. This is the main thing. Now can you repeat this whole thing again?
Okay. Um, so kilogram is the largest,
Yes.
milligram is the smallest,
Yes.
and between them,
Yes.
um, you just have to multiply,
Yes.
and between between each of them, it is 10, 10, 10, 10,
Yes.
which um
Okay.
which is
Now,
telling us, yeah,
yes, 1 kilogram in equal to how many hectogram?
10,
10. 1 kilogram equal to how many decagram?
20,
It is multiply or directly multiply. 10 multiply 10.
100,
100. So we can say how many zeros is there? There is 2 zeros, so 100. 1 kilogram equal to how many decagram? Is complete now. 1 kilogram equal to how many gram?
1,000,
1000. Because there is 10 into 10 into 10 three times. So it makes 1000. 1 kilogram equal to how many decigram?
10,000,
10,000. Correct. 1 kilogram equal to how many centigram?
100,000,
100 and 1000. Correct. And 1 kilogram equal to how many milligram?
1,000,000 and 0.
Yes, it means 1 million. 60 is there.
Yeah.
60. So these 6 we have relation here. Similarly, if question asking 1 hectogram equal to how many decagram?
10,
10. 1 hectogram equal to how many gram?
100,
100. 1 hectogram equal to how many decigram?
1,000.
1000. How 1 hectogram equal to how many centigram?
10,000.
10,000. 1 hectogram equal to how many milligram?
100,000.
100,000. Correct. Now next is 1 decagram equal to how many gram?
10.
10. 1 decagram equal to how many decigram?
100.
Correct. 1 decagram equal to how many centigram?
1,000.
1000. Correct. 1 decagram equal to how many milligram?
10,000.
10,000. Correct. Now 1 gram equal to how many decigram?
10.
Correct. 1 gram equal to how many centigram?
100.
Correct. 1 gram equal to how many milligram?
1,000.
1000. Correct. Now 1 decigram equal to how many centigram?
10.
10. 1 decigram equal to how many milligram?
100.
100. Correct. Now 1 centigram equal to how many milligram?
10.
10. Correct. So now look one more thing. We can hear gram. Okay. Here we have main word is gram. We can change our word now. Instead of gram, we can take here.
Then we can take meters.
Correct. So if I take meter, then what it become? It become kilometer, it become hectometer, decameter, and here we
And
write
meter.
meter, and here decimeter,
Yeah.
centimeter, and millimeter. So here main word is meter. So what is the spelling of meter? M-E-T-E-R, M-E-T-R-E? Meter spelling.
Um.
I think it is British English and US English depend. M-E-T-E-R or M-E-T-R-E. Both are meter. Now,
I think they both are the same.
yes, both are same. One used in English, Britain, and other used
And
in,
one used in.
yeah. One, yeah, 1 kilometer equal to how many hectometer? Same relation is there. 1 kilometer equal to how many decameter? 1 kilometer equal to how many meter? So can you tell 1 hectometer equal to how many meter?
100.
100. 1 kilometer equal to how many decameter?
100.
100. 1 kilometer equal to how many meter?
1,000.
1000. Correct. 1 hectometer equal to how many decimeter?
Can you repeat the question?
1 hectometer equal to how many decimeter?
1,000.
Correct. 1 decameter equal to how many centimeter?
1,000.
Correct. 1 meter equal to how many centimeter?
100.
100. 1 meter equal to how many millimeter?
Wait. Is it decimeter?
Yes. Now you can repeat whole summary. You can tell me about this.
It's basically doing the same concept where like it's just 10, 10, 10 to each, but then if you do two skipping, by skipping one it becomes 100, and two skipping it becomes 1,000, three skipping it becomes 10,000, and so on.
So how many 10,000 in three skipping? Can you tell? 1 kilometer equal to 1 meter. There is three skipping. One, two, three. Or you can telling You are telling hectometer, decameter, and meter. These all three are skipping, and then decimeter. 1 kilometer equal to 1 decimeter. So look the mnemonic, look the trick here learning in the nursery class, like kangaroo hopping down mountain drinking chocolate milk. So first letter of that rhyme we can use here: K for kangaroo, K for kilo, H for hopping, H for hecto, D for deca, D for down, M for meter, M for mountain, D for drinking, D for desi, D and chocolate, C for chocolate, C for centi, and M for milk, M for milli. So this sentence we use for learning. So this is easy for learn. Prefix. Moving of kangaroo is called hopping. So kangaroo hopping down mountain, drinking chocolate milk. One more word we can use here. Okay, it makes our this work easy. And one word is starting word we can here use. Okay, okay, it is easy for you to learn.
But what did you add that? What did you add at the end?
Milk. Kangaroo hopping down mountain drinking chocolate milk.
Okay.
M for milli, M for milk. So there are two M. There are two M. This time instead of meter and gram we have used. Now this time we use new one. Can you tell what we?
Now we use liters.
Yes,
No, did
liters.
we use liters? Yeah.
Yes, liters. So liter for we use symbol small l. Liters. So kiloliter, hectoliter, decaliter, liter, then deciliter, then centiliter, milliliter. So concept is same as we have done previously as gram and meter. So the concept is same. So top one is bigger and bottom one is smaller. So that is more conceptual. From bigger to smaller we multiply. From bigger to smaller we multiply. So each hopping will give us multiply by 10. So if we have two hopping, then we multiply by 100. If we have three hopping, then multiply by 1000. So number of zeros represent by hopping. So how many hopping is there? So
One.
yes, one hopping it means multiply by 10. Two hopping means multiply by 100. So from top to bottom we are moving. Okay, in that case we will use multiplication. So can you tell what is opposite of multiplication?
Division.
Division. Correct, well done. So in the divide type problem, what we do, we move from not from top to bottom, we move from bottom to top. If question asking from bottom to top, then we use divide sign, because bottom one is bigger, bottom one is big, sorry, bottom one is smaller. So from smaller to bigger, when we move we use divide sign. So same digit we use, but this time we use in divide denominator. Okay.
So they all divide 10.
Yes, 1 milli equal to 1 milli equal to how many centi? If question is asking in this way,
Um, one.
1 milliliter equal to how many centiliter? Suppose now we make the question. So now this time we are moving from smaller to bigger. So we are eliminating this one, smaller to bigger. What we do from in smaller to bigger? Smaller to bigger. We use divide. We use division or divide.
Yeah.
So can you try how many centiliter in 1 milliliter?
Um, in one.
How question is like this one. 1 milliliter equal to how many centiliter? 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 We can say it 1 over 10. 1 over 10. 1 upon 10. Can you know 1 upon 10 is equal to how much in decimal?
0.1.
Yes. So we can also say if we do not write 1 upon 10, then we can say 0.1. 1 milliliter equal to how many deciliter? 1 milliliter equal to how many deciliter?
0.01.
Yeah, correct. 0.01. One.
Oh, this is basically shifting.
Yeah, the decimal is here we are using.
Okay, okay, I get it.
Okay. Now 1 milliliter equal to how many liter? 1 milliliter equal to how many liter?
0.001.
Correct. So the same thing is
So
here.
like basically the zeros also do shift as well with the one.
One remains same, only decimal and zeros are coming. So
Yeah,
number,
they're just moving the place value.
yeah. So we can say 1 over 1000 is there. 1 over 1000 is more simpler, but it is in fraction, and fraction looks some problematic. So we can convert this into decimal form. Decimal form is more feeling easy. So same thing, if we can write in fraction form as well as we can write in decimal form. Both are correct. So how many zero we use in denominator? That is in division. Divide type problem we use as denominator also. In multiply type problem we can write only multiply or 1 followed by how many zero. Only that type of question is there. So 1 milliliter equal to how many decaliter? 1 milliliter equal to how many decaliter?
Deciliter would be 0.0001.
Correct.
Yeah.
So it means if we remove these four zero we put in the denominator, if we want to remove this decimal sign, so it become 1 over 10,000.
Yeah.
So instead of liter we can use for gram as well as um, meter. So same thing happens in gram and meters also. So here we can take some few questions. So the arrow's direction is more important. So from bottom to top we divide, and from top to bottom we multiply.
Okay.
Do you have phone number? Phone?
I have the phone.
Yes. Which company?
Um,
What company SIM or network you use there?
this company we use iPhone brands,
This is the phone's brand. iPhone is the phone brand. And what is the SIM brand? SIM?
or you can either do like a Samsung.
Okay, that is
Like
the phone brand. Now SIM. Do you know network SIM? Internet that we use in the SIM. What company SIM you use in the phone? In iPhone, what company SIM you are using? Do you know like Airtel, BSNL? Do you know Airtel network provider, internet provider, and SIM of Vodafone, Idea?
yeah, Vodafone, yeah.
So which company SIM or network you are using? Do you know? Is there Airtel
Uh,
available?
yeah, internet is available here.
Yeah.
I think Boost.
Boost.
I don't know.
So Boost, Boost is a company.
No, I don't know yet. I think so right now.
Okay.
I don't really know.
There is, I think, Vodafone is there. There is
Yeah,
Optus,
Vodafone is here.
Optus, Telstra, Telstra, Boost Mobile also, Etel module. Yes, Boost is also. So in India, here is the main company is BSNL. In India, BSNL we use.
Okay.
So why I am telling this company's name? Because if you know about company of India, what is the name of Indian company name? I am telling you, BSNL.
BSNL.
Okay, so bigger to smaller. B for bigger. B for bigger. Bigger to smaller. If we have bigger to smaller, then we multiply. So instead of BSNL, we can remember BSML. Instead of BSNL, we can remember BSML. New company. Okay, this is the learning trick. So bigger to smaller, we multiply. We use multiply. Bigger to smaller, conversion. In conversion, bigger to smaller, we use multiply. Okay. So first, in any conversion type problem, we check is it bigger or smaller. We are converting from bigger to smaller or smaller to bigger. That we have to identify first. In bigger to smaller, we use multiply. So what is opposite of it? This sentence? What is opposite of this? Bigger to smaller multiply.
Big, smaller to bigger, um, divide.
Correct. From smaller to bigger, we divide. So only one side we remember, then other side we can identify. Okay, it will be easy to identify other side. So one side we use. So we are here in India learning, and here company of sim that we use in mobile is BSNL. Instead of N we use M here because ML is multiply, and B for stand for bigger to small, we use multiply. So bigger one is top one and smaller one is bottom one. So from whenever we convert, and how we remember bigger one. So kangaroo hopping down mountain drinking chocolate milk, this is the trick. So kangaroo is the bigger and milk is the smaller. So this is the trick. I think this is more easier for you now.
Should I join the next meeting once?
Okay, now can you repeat this in some short way? Can you repeat this in short summary?
That first, ml is like, so you can say basically like milliliter. So BS so the BSML is like BSML is um a sim in India, but then you did BSML, which BS is connected to ML.
Yeah. BS stand for.
Um, biggest to small.
Yes, bigger to smaller. In that case, ml for multiply. Ml for multiply. It is not milliliter, it is multiply. So bigger to smaller is multiply, and opposite of it, smaller to bigger, is divide. Smaller to bigger is divide. This thing we have to remember. The whole thing is there, and it is applied by using this BSML trick.
Could we also now do some word problems for some decimals too? Like not decimals, I mean percentages. Just like one or two.
Now we are, suppose now we are making some questions, fill in the blanks type questions it can use here. Suppose 1 decimeter equal to dash centiliter. 1 decameter equal to dash centiliter.
Um, is this for
So this is,
what is this for?
this is meter also because same unit should be there. So
Okay.
centimeter.
Cause could you also do? I said could you also do some percentages question?
Okay, percentage
As well,
question. Okay.
like 3, 4. So 1 decameter equals 1,000 centimeter.
Correct. 1000. So in this way, you have homework like look the homework how you can write. First is for liters. Liter is the unit of volume. Liter is the unit of volume. Here is liter. So liter is the unit of volume. So you will make whole conversion from bigger to smaller. Whole conversion you will write bigger to smaller. Bigger to smaller. Bigger to smaller. So how you will write from bigger to smaller? 1 kiloliter. First one you will write 1 kiloliter equal to dash hectoliter. Second you will write 1 kiloliter equal to dash.
Is this my homework?
Yes, I am telling you 1 kiloliter equal to dash decaliter. So in this way you will prepare a chart. You will prepare a chart and then 1 kiloliter equal to dash liter. 1 kiloliter equal to dash liter. Then next is 1 kiloliter equal to dash deciliter. 1 kiloliter equal to dash deciliter.
So is it basically doing the whole chart?
Yeah, you will prepare whole chart. Then come to then hectoliter. 1 hectoliter equal to dash
Okay, okay, okay,
decaliter.
okay.
1 hectoliter equal to dash deciliter. Then come to
Up to centiliter to
yeah.
milliliter, that's
Yes.
it.
Yes. Up to this. So your volume chart you will make, and then
Okay.
then you will from smaller to bigger make a second chart that is used that is using division. So from 1 milliliter equal to how many centiliter, 1 milliliter equal to how many deciliter. From smaller to bigger that we use as decimal or divide, that you make second chart. So so that it will completely cover our this volumes topic, volume and liters it will cover.
Okay, okay. I got it.
So mass is the gram is the unit of mass. So it is same as for gram mass. And
But when I'm writing this, um, do I write do I write it liters only?
you can use only one unit, because if you have one unit correct, then I think second gram and meter also will be right or correct. You can able to write them
Okay.
also. Okay, now we in this way we can say it is finished now, but it is only for prefix. These seven six prefix we use. Three is above and three is below. Six prefix is there. Prefix is not only six, there is a lot of prefix. So only six we are discussing at this standard. Next our topic, I will send you some percentage related problems. So come to percentage. Come to our topic percentage. So before starting, we have to know about sign of percentage. Percentage sign has this forward slash, this is called forward slash, and this is called backward slash. Okay, so whenever we can write, we write in fractions like 3 over 2. We use forward slash also. 3 over 2 is written as 3 over 2. Forward slash we can use here. So in forward slash, we put two zeros and it is called percentage sign. Two zeros means divide by 100. So divide by 100 is nothing but a sign that is percentage sign. So percentage is sign is forward slash and followed by this type of 20. So first question is 4%. Can you solve 4% value? So it means 4 over 100. We remove percentage sign and we write 100 in the denominator. So and we can say both number can cancel by 4.
1 over 25.
Correct. So that is our final answer. So
Yes.
it means this type of simplification problem is there in percentage sign. So finally,
If you going to send any percentage homework, could you do some simplifying ones?
this type of question I can send you.
Yeah, like simplifying ones.
Yeah, someone some questions required simplification and some questions doesn't require simplification. So according to
Could you
our
just do just simplification?
just simplification, okay, like second one 5%, third one is 10%, fourth one is 15%, fifth one is 20%.
Second one is 1 over 20.
Yeah,
The third one is 1 over 10.
yeah.
The third one is
After third, next fourth one,
the fourth
15%.
one. Um, um, could you simplify it by 5?
Yeah, yeah. 15 over
Okay, then 3 over 20.
3 over 20, correct. Next fifth one is here 20%.
That would be 1/5.
Correct. Sixth one is 25%.
Uh, 1/4.
Correct. Seventh one is 30%.
Um, 3/10.
Correct. 3 over 10. Eighth one is 35%.
7/20.
Correct. Cancel by 5. 7 over 20. Now ninth one we can write here. Other side. 40%. 40%.
4/10.
Then it is not final answer. 4 over 10.
Oh yeah, so um 1/5. No, 2/5.
2/5. Next is 60%. 60%.
Um, 3/50.
3 over not 50, 5 because zero,
Oh, 5?
because
Yeah.
1 0 already cancelled.
Okay.
Next 11th is 70%. 70%.
7/10.
Correct. 7 over 10.
The the 12th one, it would be 4/5.
Correct. Next is
And the 13th one would be 9/10.
correct.
And the 14th one would be 9/20.
Correct. 9 over 20. Next one is 55%. Next one is 65%.
So are you going to send any homework?
Okay, I'm sending you. I'm sending you homework.